Clerk, do you have a reservation?
Wait. Yes, I do. My name is Witya. Wittthaya. Witya.
Clerk, Vidya, I'm sorry, I don't seem to have anything here under that name.
Wait. Are you, sir? I have my confirmation number in my base somewhere.
Clerk, did someone else make the reservation?
Wait. Oh, maybe that's it. Try my dormitory name. Inter A. INTERA. Or maybe Gomez. Lisa Gomez.
Clerk, oh yes, here you are. A dormitory room for Friday night.
Wait. Yes, that's right.
Good. Clerk, okay. Could I see your credit card, please? Thank you. Here we go. You're in room T12. The elevators are over there. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Wait. Yes, actually. Could you tell me where the subway station is? Thank you, listening.